Hello, today I will show you how to mirror text in Autocad. I want to mirror this floor plan. This is my second floor plan, just like this, but I don't want to mirror my text. I want this to have no effect on my text. This is what I'm talking about. I've just done the exact same thing here. I mirrored the floor plan, but my text looks very much the same. So let's start with this problem. Just delete. So most of the time when you want to mirror a floor plan, go to mirror. I will mirror about there. No, you can see the text. The text appears inverted, so you can't really be able to read this. It's not readable. Even if you mirror the other way, for example, if I mirror like this, same problem. The text is inverted upside down. To solve this problem, you need to use a command called mirror text in Autocad. So I will go to my keyboard and type mirror, MIRR, and then you can see mirror text. So it's not a completed word, then text. Then hit enter. Now, if you enter, the current value is 1. This means that when I mirror text, this will have an effect on my text. So you need to change this value from 1 to 0. So I'll type 0 and hit enter on my keyboard. So when the value is 0, it means when you mirror, the mirror effect will not affect your text. So I will do the same thing. I will select this one and then mirror. I will mirror about that point. No. So you can see my text, the way my text appears, apart from here where we have mirror. This text is not one text, so that's why these are a change. This one should be here and then vice versa. But the second floor plan has not been inverted and it's not upside down. If I mirror downwards, the value is still 0. So let me mirror about some distance. Mirror about there. Again, second floor framing. The only reason for this is that this text is not one text. So, but the text is oriented the way it should be, so it's readable. So someone can be able to read these plans, and you can be able to use, for example, you have 4 similar houses in this location. You just mirror, but you need to make sure that mirror text has a value of 0, so that all your text will not be inverted. So these here you cannot read anything; they are not readable. Even these 6x6, the way they appear here, 6x6, and here, it's just that they are now on the other side, but just perfect. So that marks the end of my video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.